Learning the structure of a neural network usually starts with reading the code, but a more direct way is to visualize it. If you've tried this before, you know it's not that simple. I usually use Natron, and it works great for formats like Onyx. But with native PyTorch models, you often just get scattered nodes with no clear connections. One workaround is to convert the model first, but as a researcher, I often need to inspect several open source models quickly, and some operators cannot be converted at all. There are also third-party tools that partially solve this, but they usually lack good interactivity and can break on recursive or repeated structures. So I ended up building my own tool for interactively exploring native PyTorch neural networks. At first, you can just look at the overall structure without expanding every detail all at once. Then, by adjusting the depth, you can expand the network layer by layer. You can control exactly how much detail you want to see. If you only care about a specific module, you can click on it directly and inspect the operators inside. You can also search for a node and jump to it immediately instead of scanning the whole graph by hand. The whole process feels more like browsing a model than reading code. None of these features is complicated, but together they fit my workflow much better. If this looks useful to you, feel free to check out the tutorial in the GitHub repository. And if there's a feature you'd like to see added, I'd be happy to hear about it.